Yo guys, this is BIONT, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make deep house in the style of MEDUZA. In particular, today we're going to remake their new track, Tell It To My Heart, that they made together with Hozier. This is how it sounds if you haven't checked it out yet. Before starting with the video though, don't forget to do all that good stuff to support these free FLPs. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you got any suggestion for future videos. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the video. As always guys, let's get started with the drums. Now let's set an higher kick layer. Alright guys, so now let's move to the claps. Let's see how they sound. Yeah, but let's add some more layers. Alright guys, so now let's move to the open hats. Let's see how they sound. Now let's add another layer. We'll finish it off just with one more layer to reinforce the higher hand. Okay guys, so now let's move to percussion, starting from some simple shakers. Let's see how they sound alone. Alright, so now we're adding some rides. Let's see how they sound. Cool guys, so now the last layer we're adding is just a simple shaker loop. Let's see how it sounds alone. Okay guys, so now let's hear the drums all together. Alright guys, so now let's move to the main elements, starting from the sub. Let's see how it sounds. Now let's hear it alone. Cool guys, so now let's add some bass shots. Let's see how they sound. Now let's hear them alone. These shots are made of 2 layers, so let's hear them one by one. We have the first main layer, and then we have this kinda donkish layer. Alright guys, so now let's move to the classic MEDUZA growl. Let's see how it sounds. Now let's hear it alone. Okay guys, so now we're adding some of those classic MEDUZA shots. Let's hear how they sound. Sorry for that lag, but now let's hear them alone. Alright, so now we're adding more layers of that MEDUZA shot, so let's hear how they sound. This is once again the same sound layered with the classic MEDUZA pluck sampled. This is how it sounds. And then we also have this one. Alright guys, so now let's move to the lead that we have in the first part of the drop. So let's see how it sounds. This lead is just made of this serum preset. I'm also adding these automations to make it feel a little bit more alive, so let's see the difference with and without these ones. Cool guys, so now we can move to the last layer, which is, as always, effects and ambiences. So let's see how they sound all together. There are quite a few layers, so let's hear them one by one. This is just a simple crash. Then we have a classic down sweep, a sweep up, some string kind of ambience, some crowd noise, some kind of pottish, drone-ish element, and another kind of drone layer. Alright guys, now as always for the final step, let's just slap some effects on the master channel. Alright guys, now we're finally done also with this video. As always, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get this FLP completely for free. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the final result.
Tell it to my